towards the left foot. Your next exhale, bring the hand all the way back forward, this time to the inside of the right foot. We're going to heel toe the right foot towards the edge of the mat. We're in a lizard lunge. Take a round of breath here, inhaling and exhaling. If you want to go a little lower, coming down towards your forearms, releasing the tension in the head and shoulders. We take a full round of breath. So next, inhale, lift your gaze, pressing into your palms. Walk them back towards the body. Tuck your back toes, lifting your left knee, high lizard. To exhale, step all the way back, plank pose. Inhale in your plank as you exhale, knees, chest, chin, or going for your chaturanga. So upward facing dog or cobra, squeezing the glutes and the shoulder blades, lifting your gaze, and as you exhale, pressing into the hands. Downward facing dog. Take an inhale here and exhale, sigh out through the mouth. So next inhale, we lift